For today's quick tip, we're going to go over some ways you can customize the taskbar on your computer. You'll do this by going into the Settings app, going to Personalization and the Taskbar section. So first thing you'll see will be some taskbar items that you can turn on or off, such as the task view, the widgets, and the chat. Now in my system, I've turned off widgets and chat because I don't use them, but the task view, as we've shown in a previous quick tip video, is very handy. And also for the search icon, you can choose to also hide, just have a search box or have the search icon and a label on there. And some other items you can show in the system tray on the right, and some of these will apply if you have a touch screen, and some of these will also be available on non-touch screen systems, but such as showing a pin menu. So if you have the ability to do digital writing on your system, as well as a touch keyboard and a virtual touch pad. You can also expand the other system tray icons. So these will be the icons down here on the right. So you can choose which ones you always want to show and which ones will just be available through this pop-up menu here. So you have control over a lot of what shows up in the taskbar as well. And as well as the behavior of the taskbar, you can choose the alignment. So by default in Windows 11, it is centered, but if you prefer it to be more classic, you can put it to the left, like so. You have other options to automatically hide the taskbar, as well as a lot of these others that are defaults that are turned on. I'm not going to go through in a whole lot of detail on all these items, but they should be fairly self-explanatory. The one thing I also want to cover is hear questions from a lot of people all the time is when you have multiple monitors, where do you want the taskbar to show? You can choose it to have on all of them, or just where particular window is open. Typically, as like in older versions of Windows, the default behavior is to show it on all taskbars. I know that is what most people are used to, and you can easily set that right there. So I highly recommend you kind of come through, explore the section a little bit more, try some of the items, toggle things on or off, see what happens, and find ways to customize the taskbar that's going to work best for you.